Good morning. It is day before New Year's Eve, the eve of New Year's Eve. And it is cold, man. That beautiful sky up there. But we are getting ready. Got the, hopefully tomorrow, I'll take that sign out. Just opened this up. Dump trucks are on the way. Move the catwalk over out of the way. We're just going to be dumping off the end of the bridge here. And then one of the things I wanted to do is look real carefully for some welding rods. Got a little piece. I'll pick all those up later. Just getting them out of the way. I don't want something going into a driver's tire. Pieces of metal, just like those pieces. I'm just kind of walking and scouting, kind of like an aircraft carrier deck, I'd say. She's looking pretty good. Already picked up quite a bit, but looks clear for their tires. They're just going to be dumping. I've put the cones to each side for their visibility. We're going to be dumping. I got 5 dump truck loads of what's called surge. It's kind of like big stuff in a mix. Be a really good base. Still waiting on the trucks. I had some plates of steel over there I was going to pick up, just picking up stuff around the job site, and they're froze to the ground, so later on that. But you can barely see right up there. That is the Beatree Christian Church. Got the steeple down yesterday before the winds came. Bo Wallace, shout out to him. Had the crew getting the bell out of the tower, getting a crane with the tower down. It's just been a lot that people have, mostly with the history of this church on here is just amazing. But they got that down, and they're actually down there today. They're going to start the actual demolition of the church. Those are the other hard parts. Loss of life is one thing, and injury in homes, but then there's these other cultural things that have been icons in this valley for years. Another thing, probably before, while I'm waiting on the truck, I'm going to see if I can clip over top of a video I just actually saw for the first time last night from my wife's phone. My wife was home on the mountain while I was at the fire station with the excavator, and took 2 days to get to her into Saturday. And we really didn't know if any of our neighbors or anybody up in this whole area was alive for quite a while until we got in to scout and get through the landslides and everything. But I'm gonna clip the video over top that shows the water. She zoomed through the trees up at the house, but the water that you see is actually over top of that road over there across this whole valley. Yeah, it's always you end up finding another video or a photo or something that you hadn't seen yet. But man, we're getting there and optimistic, and this will become habitat again and just back to using. But I'm gonna go warm up in the truck for a minute. I'm actually getting cold. the loads went in, and I decided to go ahead and start capping. The camera did not like the cold, so it shut off, and actually there's some battery left, but it just shut off on the temperature here. But I kept going, and I still had a pile of gravel over there, just some ABC that I capped on top of it, so I'm going to recross the bridge. I've got more coming in the morning, and I'll scrape some of this back, but it is technically open for now. So I'm going to drive across it the first time here. I'll leave the road closed there. I don't put the barricades back, but I've got stuff to do on the sides and all that, but my truck is going across it. Take it, man. All right, I got to get on the fire station. I got things to do. We'll work again in the morning. I'll see you later. Y'all take care. Bye. Oddly enough, I don't have a lot to say right now, actually. Finally back from the fire department and starting to work. That's our bridge over there that you may have seen. I'll throw some pictures up, probably some other video of it, but we've got to build up the berm on the side of it. A lot of this is gone, so it's kind of hard to see everything, but that is some Kentucky Department of Transportation folks that's been working on stuff up here, fixing the road back. And let me spin around here. I've worked our way in and getting a bunch of the brush gingerly piling up over here, getting a pathway in back a long distance around. But what I'm trying to do is I'm going to open up a lot of this brush here, try to get the plastics to the side, and there's some big logs sticking up on our bridge there, just stuff. Once I get this opened up, I'm gonna work a little bit more. I think I'll go set the camera up over there, maybe on the road for a minute. And it's getting late on Saturday night, and yeah, and it's Hurricane or Tropical Storm Helene, and this is day 24 straight. And I'm just trying to do some things at home for a change. But let me go set the camera up, and I'll do a little bit more, and then it's time to rest.